Hello, hi. My name is Shruti Shankar. I would like to share my personal experiences with Narayana Nethralaya. My husband had a retina detachment and he required an emergency surgery. And believe me, we were so stressed. The first contact was Madam Nirmala. I think she's the PRO who took, a lot of care, and then we met up with her. My husband underwent the the retina detachment under the guidance of Dr. Naresh Kumar Yadav and his team. I must say Dr. Naresh Kumar Yadav was a God-sent messenger because he performed both the surgeries. There were two surgeries which were required for my husband, and he's back to normal and his vision is almost back to normal. So that was a real blessing for us. I was personally diagnosed with cataract, and I was so scared and a lot of anxiety. Then I came into the hospital, and Dr. Naren Shetty, again such a smiling, doctor with immense pleasing behavior. He took good care of me, and I was operated for my cataract on the right eye. I'm normal now, as you can see. I'm sitting before you. And Dr. Naren, though, he was so good. Even on the operation table, I was so anxious, and he kept telling me, "Madam, we're almost there. You're doing well. The surgery will just take a couple of minutes. You're fine." And it was all done in a jiffy, and I'm so thankful. Talking a little more about Narayana Nethralaya, I can see the hospital, they maintain a very spick and span environment, right from the pharmacy to the in-house faculty to the doctors. I have met Dr. Sujani, I have met Dr. Ramkumar, of course, as I said, Dr. Bhujang Shetty, then Dr. Naren. So all these doctors who I have come across, they've been extremely polite, extremely patient. When I was diagnosed with cataract, in fact, I was so irritable and impatient because I couldn't see properly. That's when I decided that I must pledge, donate my eyes. And I request all citizens of India, Bangalore, to kindly donate your eyes, and let there be life, or let people see, through your eyes, through their donated eyes. And I would say that doctors at the hospital are doing a great, effort. Great. It's basically in the service industry, doing a lot of service to to the entire nation. Keep up the good work, and God bless. Thank you so much.